Hello friends, welcome to another video. So guys, I was having some issues with my game yesterday. That is, it was saying Rockstar game services unavailable. So I checked the YouTube and I found many fixes, but none of them worked for me. And what I did that I read some of the comments and followed their instructions, but I was not having any problem fix. So basically what I did that I asked my friends, some of my friends who played GTA, so they told me that it's a common issue, and 9 out of 10 people mostly sometimes get this issue. So I found it's fixed and it's work for every device. Either are you on PC, or if you are on PS4 like mine, so this will work definitely for you. So let me know if it helps you, and if it helps, please like and subscribe to my channel. So what usually happens that when it loads, it gets you almost 50 or 60%, and most of the time it took, in mine it took almost 50%. So what it will give you that Rockstar game services unavailable, just like it gives in mine. Yeah. And then some of the time it also gives you a message that files cannot be downloaded. So it's a kind of headache also, because if you can't get to play, and if you think, and I also thought that I would lose my progress in GTA 5. So don't need to worry, it's just a bug. Sometimes it mainly occurs due to your internet connection, and you can check it if you have a hotspot. You can check it by using a hotspot, it can fix your problem. But you are on Wi-Fi, and hotspot does not, sometimes many people don't have it. So the main fix you would do that everyone should be able to do this. The device you are using internet, like the Wi-Fi or router, you should unplug it and leave it unplugged or off for almost 4 to 5 hours. That's what I did. I leave it for 4 to 5 hours, and also do not on my PS4. So you just need to do this. You just need to unplug your Wi-Fi router and then plug it in after 4 to 5 hours, or six, maybe six. Sometimes it usually takes most of the time it takes 5 hours. So after doing that, just plug in again and reset your wireless settings in your router, like password or the name of your Wi-Fi, and then go back to your PS4 and select your Wi-Fi, and don't think of changing the primary or secondary DNS. It does not depend on that. So just after restarting your PS4 and making your Wi-Fi connected, just go back to your game as I have done it. So it will probably work. Almost 9 out of 10 devices it will work. So because I have asked my friends about that, they also said that this is the main problem, because of the internet service provider. It usually this problem occurs. So you don't need to worry about losing your progress. You just simply have to do this fix, and it will 100% work for you. So you can tell me in comments if the this fix worked for you, and I hope it works for everyone. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed to. So that's the video, and so guys, that is the end of the video now. I will just if you want some more tips and tricks related to this GTA game, you can ask me in comments. So that's it for today almost, and see you in next video.